Hello guys, I'm Yang from Chinese 3D. Today I will show you how EinScan HX2 helps you in car modification. We will scan this half car and use mirror function in post-processing. So let's start scanning. Click the scan button to start preview, change brightness to a proper one, and then click again to start scanning. With high accuracy up to 0.04 millimeters and high scan speed, HX2 can help you acquire precise data in an efficient way. So you can use the data to make some modification parts, no need to measure time and again. During scanning, keep the distance bar green and make sure you have got enough data before moving to next part. You can see the frame rate is very high, so the whole scanning experience is very smooth. After generate point cloud and mesh, you can use the mirror function to make it a whole car.